That's an interesting question. So I hope that by then, robots will be there to fold our laundry and wash our dishes. There's still a lot of innovation to be made and a lot of optimization to be made in the market.
One industry that I'm really excited about is healthcare. From what we are seeing, the models are getting really good and better each and every day, and transforming healthcare is a venue I'm very, very excited about.
I'm not sure this will be in place or not, but I hope it is. My wife's ability to read my thoughts.
I actually think it is a little bit in the quantum support. Hey, if I want to go build a molecule today to maybe create a greener plastic, look, it can give me the foundations of that today, but it actually can't give us the details because that's fundamentally a quantum problem. And having a quantum coprocessor tied to AI today, I think will be very common by 2030.
I think robotics and physical AI, the marriage between the two, will have robots be a part of our everyday lives.
We all have our own AI avatar agents, like a version of agentic AI, which is obviously already exists, but it's much more representing of the person, and having your multiple forms of AI avatar agent types of people.
What are the things that I don't enjoy doing as much that I'd love to be able to hand off to in AI?
So by 2030, my hope is that AI is going to be used to finally cure cancer.